Okay, she to be a sako for Unjo place, okay. With the list.
She decided to carry the thing because I'm not the media person, I don't do this media. So she decided to carry the media, she wants to get food to the lap of my head.
Come out for where baby J. Make she take care of baby so that we can hear you well.
So she don't carry the on giving for media. So me I will.
But baby they cry now. Take care of your baby, my sister. Why body they pepper you like this?
What respect you don't get? She go respect.
She not get. Una see her?
She go one. She go one respect. When I come this Europe, I come to 2016. I will tell one thing. You hear me?
Yes.
So 2016 when I come, there's my close friend. If I come up for work, before I come up for work, my very close friend of mine. Before I travel, we will be friends for Africa. Before I travel, I'm very close. We don't know for no less than 15 years. Me and the guy. Now for the same village they be. Here the guy. So when I come here, now Spain the guy. I go Spain. I go make up for Spain. So my ex-girlfriend is there for the month that I have she marry. You know, yes. So I don't get girlfriend. So I think my friend know everything. So my friend told me say, right now, hey, this hero don't come. So what he go do? He go like one of his sister, a very nice girl. Make anyone who call so from me. I just be come. So may just let me more first say that first. So that's I don't want to take people. I think I would like go. Now the purpose call. He come me I come pay. I don't pass with that. I'm a graduate. I got from mechanical engineering. Tripoli. Before I left Nigeria. So the guy knows me very well. So I got pay flight tickets down to Germany. I can't take a salary for Germany. So I'm telling you, I'm just out. She need to hear everything. I take a salary for Germany. Then the guy called the guy called the feeding test because they see so fast and matter. I was okay. She's not so. Since you say that the guy is a very nice guy, I don't want trouble. She's a very nice girl. I said no problem. So we can't give me a contact. We call the talk. I can't say make she contact me. Make she contact. Cannot get people. She need to come see me for Germany. She probably for the new detail level say come out. So I go say sister so no problem. Now me I don't think come France to me I dey Germany. So I dey work for Germany. I tell her I dey work. 2016 when I go at the work. I tell her I dey work. I don't think come. So she go tell me she don't say if I come for the new she go come. She went 2016, 2017. Paper fit dey renew. I go say I dey renew paper for 2 years. So I dey come for renew. So,
you know what you go just do? Cut the matter short so that I can understand where. Sure, what did happen today? What did happen today?
Okay, what did happen today? This man, she know they respect me. Once he go respect you. Before we know, I call my mom. I say, Mossy, my mom. I say, Mom, Mossy say, I say, they don't want woman when I go get woman meet for this thing. I want marry her. So. You know, let me talk.
Only for you. Oh, if you not allow him to talk, you dey disrespect her. Disrespect not be say you want beat.
She no get one respect. She know the. Maybe the mama go dey ask her. What about this woman wey dey tell me? I can put my mom online now. If I get woman when I don't pay money, she just dey laugh. They spoil my head.
Egbe ave paloma gbe result na.
I put my mom online. I call her. I go ask her say. She got my phone, my Samsung than of the S9. She did that for ground, the screen. It pushes her by the toilet. When I eat, she carried the position. She won't break my head. She won't my say, "What me police call?" I will call. I will come to her. Come to her there. Say my phone. Come up for that guy. Say my friends. Say my don't go out with my friends.
She go lock you for outside.
I'm not telling you several times. I'll go. If I make her lie, make her not for my life this night. She will lock me for outside. Not be one, not be two, not be three. My brother they come out, he will soon my papa not put doctor. No, my man move. You say, look, waiting for this is meant for not me. He said, me and my sister won't be. I said, before I know you, me, I don't get family. My brother is there. My brother is the person who made this hero. What if you call them in? My brother has this who escape safe at times. And before I come, we'll go come aside again. So I people remember don't they quarrel. She don't you know why anybody know what they are. She don't
But my sister, allow me talk now. Why not they behave like this?
She don't tell me.
You don't even get respect.
Yeah. She says I don't want to get married. Say they want pay for her head. So they need to permission for them to go marry her. Yes or no. That's what I say. So you don't know say if you don't want marry, say you know say you don't get now say I get family happy. Respect me, you know they regard. Let me put it for your head. Let me bought it for you. Because I never bought before. I never born. And she said before she shop her life for me say the born 96. So if they break, what go to that person? They see me say we will be next mate. They go break me, she go greet me. She's now me and she. I go wake up the money say good money. If I eat, I make they cook for her. I go cook food. She serve her. And then people go wash the clothes. I go wash the children. Wash her own. You know she never abandon her one day. Before I meet her, she don't get great BP. I find in another for Satan. She come out to put the procession of my body. She book my mother go give doctor. They tell her secretary doctor. They tell her say me my family don't like her. Me I take care of children. She do me I see they suffer they take care of for years. I never abandon my children one day. I never abandoned with her one day. They wash clothes for them. They take their papa. They assist way as the father supposed to be assist children. They assist the mama children. She never washed my boss on one day. I know they agree. She never wash of the washing machine one day. Now they wash her clothes. They wash the children. Wash her clothes too. Outside now, she never appreciate one thing. She never appreciate me one day. She know they cook for me. I think they cook food with them. So I'll go market. If I go market, go buy. Go see now. Go see. I'll go to market and I contribute for. They say that me. When I come, I think I do for you. All money put the paper. I do. Take the video.
Share the video.
I know they say one go Africa. Now March here. March. Now my dropping. March. Now they tell me rich. March. And they contribute for the house. She now see they contribute. If you get me, I'll go back to the market. I'll go back to school for us. But she could have, you need to appreciate me what they say. I say. So when I told this evening, I should come. You say, "Master, you tell me this morning. Master, you tell me when I say I don't get answer when I go answer you for that matter. You need to make a because I go Paris today. When I come back, now she the carry the disturb me. Where for the carry big? Why he got my phone? So where? So when you own my shirt, you say, well, tell her they call police, the police don't go come.
Yeah.
She go call police, but I told my brother, if I pick call me, she tell my brother, after what they say, what did they do my brother? What did they do my brother? I don't like her. Because it's my younger brother. You go and tell her they calm me down, man just, because of a man just cannot cause, because of the children. I never beat her one day, I never touch her one day. She don't respect me. She don't respect my family. I was saying, "Mama, no, they are you. Why don't you tell your mother?" It's because I'm more late when you know. Because I don't know I'm more. Because you don't know. She just think you're the cabinet. She don't them down. She don't them down. She don't go and go tell me. Like. That because what go concern me. That because Mama didn't have to wear this day. Maybe if I could say, "But I could not say she." I say, "I know the other. I know the house. I know the house." So what I could say. She did your man for me to run because you don't disturb me every time. Now give her phone. Let's go disturb before because let's go they do the back. After 2 days, say me go tell my mom say me talk to my mom go the phone they go back. After so my woman where they use camera phone. Let's go connect. You connect that phone, but she know you might try to call my mom one day.
She know they call your mother.
You know they call her. Now, if you talk to any member of the family, you talk to a sister, in brother, no one, she know the two that you go 1 day, and 1 day, Tani. No one she talk to person. I mean, they talk to those children, they call them, what if they do you? Like, they see your blood. They talk to them, they say that because of me, they make me know this. Why people call Madam and friend, my friend, they say, don't wait, this people look at me now. You say that because of me, you say because of me, that means you see something to them. If you see the caliber, they say they they make her waste all the women she come because she call Europe 2006 that she come Europe. You saw the money she call when they call you now all the open they waste all the money. After you don't catch whatever you give me cash. After what you can cash over you cash. You don't actually know. If woman say call this country, this person will do so. Unless they can go their card. Now when I do call finish, I don't call their address. I say no, I don't make the torture. I don't let her go their account. I can swear this time they let her go their account. Now, my money the paper don't create the top. See, my draw finish. March here. I don't see how many more. People see 7 kids. I say they try to contribute. Now they buy work. I go to after they buy work. Go on with the one doing now. To make sure nobody else will get the work. No, this money. You know, I think no day they'll be break. This money they say, you know they behave like this. When you go, they worry you. When they tell me, they won't let me go kitchen, go cook. I go see. I say, may you stay, man, go cook kitchen, get better. I'll go. You see, must follow me. You see, follow me. But for years, if I watch them, if I eat finish, you will watch that. They go leave myself. I'm going to see that the next day. I saw to go this time. Now me go by myself. They watch the place. I take it. He said, "It's a dictator." Are you mad?
My brother. You see this life, me. This girl, my sister.
Me, I want to talk. I beg.
I never okay down one day. If you say the lie, I can give my brother own contact. May you see call you. May see here from her. If I go, she go transfer my for my head. Say, which I. So you see me go my. I swear to God who made me. I swear my Quran when I read. I say I'm a Muslim. If I'm marrying my people, if I'm marrying my people in Nigeria, he say last 6 years when I bought people in Nigeria, the woman in UK. Where to send my woman for Spain? I don't know what for. No British. I don't get my for Spain. I don't get my for Nigeria when I be married.
Okay.
When she has the person I don't fall for. She don't get my say this time. Anyway, no problem. Because me not say no, you're my side of the story. Never miss say my just say cheat.
Thank you. As you respect me, your respect will never expire.
They like to gun.
Thank you so much.
Finish. Now, because they put it for my body.
You don't do me. I talk to her. Hello, my sister.
Hello, Mama. Beg no verse. Me at the top.
Hello, at the listing.
Hello, Mama.
At the listing.
Hello. Mama, I use God beg you. I beg everybody where they listen. Mona no fair say. At the top for background. Now see, give me for body. I beg. Mona no fair. I beg. Mona no fair. People are not what they pass through. Everything when this man they talk, I swear to my father where is their grave. I swear to my mother where is their grave. I swear to Bible. When I say they pray day and night, I still swear to Quran where do they carry. If not true, God go after me and you. If not lie, I said, Mama, hello?
At the listing.
Hello?
Now, wow.
That one, when you say me, I look up outside, the house where we did. Now, you know fast as been. People, they call me. He go come up for us. Hello.
At the listing.
He go come up for us in the evening. After 3 in the morning, he go there. He never come back. He no go come and say lockdown, no lockdown. Me, I go wait. I no go fit sleep. I go try bath children, give them food. Take children, make them sleep. If children don't sleep finish, I will begin to wait. If I can't wait till 4, maybe the time when 3 will come to enter my eye, then go come to come. If he just knocked up once and no yet, he go come out. If he come call the next day, he go say I lock him for outside. That thing, it don't happen 3 times. 3 times, not that it don't happen 3 times. Since what we take no matter since what we take on this one now 3 times that it don't happen. He go. The other day he called 5 o'clock in the morning. I wait till 4 in the morning. I wait till 4
Okay,
in the
now.
morning. Now that's as if I go wait, man no lock door. And me I know see open door for ground because we get children. If he go enter my eye, he can't come. He lock door no yet. He go come out, go tell your brother say I don't lock him for outside.
Okay, now.
The other day, wait, now that one wait, that.
I don't even know who I want to believe now. Two of them are just swear. I don't know who I want to
May I
believe.
talk? I use God beg you. I use God beg you. May I talk? That time, that time when I say, now throw money, now they eat, now they talk, now lie. That first time when he put up for ground, he not even reach too much. Now they stop and say, you need to go back to Jeremy. Now they can't say, they can't say, you need to go back to Jeremy. I need to bring all my paper. Let them go give government. Let them know say me and him there together. So we get children together. I no need to go back. So now he can't say, now I can't bring all the paper where I need to bring. You can't go give the man where they have the process Aduro. They can't say to off Ofi. Ofi no say we there together. They not go carry a force and carry go Germany. They not write and that say you need to forcefully you need to go. They leave back because they not say we get together. Me I say yeah, he is there with us. They know where they stay. They not go carry on. They not call disturb them. They not they pain. Ever since there they know they pain. We know they hungry.
Okay, now.
Where we go.
Okay, now.
Nobody, you know the person
Nah.
where they know they pay. You get children. You need to buy stuff for children. You need to buy them all on my money.
More than like my page, like this page.
I'm not talking anything. All on my money, and my children. I don't care about the other
Hello.
All this why is the yet they talk so. He just they talk.
Hello, hold on.
What is the economy they talk? We say
Hello.
his mother before he said me I know they call him mother. Me before I they call him mother. So when I come born, my pikin is they cry every time. When I born, I born, he reach how many days? The mama no call me. Now later he call me, tell me say, the mama say they call me. I come today, I'm not seeing your mama call. I'm not seeing your mama call. And the phone when they in my hand, credit not there. He not be that credit can't give me. I'm not be call him mother. I come say you no come and tell her say I reach. Come say tell her say I born. He no call me. So after I come from hospital, I come special with us. After I come from hospital, I call house before your mother call me. Every time Pikin come because me I never said bought before. I don't get mother when I want and say see Pikin he always they cry. I don't know what they do. Me I don't know say na next the night they say Pikin. The mother no see tell me say na next the night they say Pikin. So, his brother went because of the time when she bought, their mother, they call her, they advise her, say, see what to do, all those kind of things. But that one, they always, they call sign what is there, my mother. But that one not be my problem, not concern me. That one, when you hear say, me, I'm not to respect anybody. After whether me or any of his person, we don't quarrel one day. Me and any of his person, we never quarrel. Even when I see bodies, I call Pikin, his mother not call me one day. He not call me. Even when I see body second because she not see call me. I not see complain. I not talk. I not complain. I not see talk. I not see anybody not call me. Nobody call me. Nobody not say. I not talk. I not complain.
Okay, now.
I say money you not see give me.
Okay,
I
now.
not complain.
Now wait. The marriage where you say your husband go do now, how you say no?
Mama, he knows it's not true because all the chats and everything, the picture, the woman picture, everything, I get it for my phone.
Not the picture.
So, when I go,
You get the
I get it
proof.
for my phone.
You get the proof. Wait, take put money for your hair. You get the proof. You get the proof. The proof.
Wait, now, he can't go delete everything come off for my phone. He can't go delete the picture and the chat and everything. He can't say I sleep finish. He go carry my phone. He delete it. But recently now, now that they do the marriage, he know. He just the lie, say na lie. He just the lie, he know. So now this morning, now they call me say, my yoga sister, she want to marriage. Make the guy since na me, make they ask me, make that get children. Whether me. My sister said, may I answer whether we they marry or we not they marry, or I is for two of us. Now the question called the answer is one. I thought since 2017, since 2018, now you put it for my aunt. We get 2 children together. With with the marry or we not the marry, how the matter they do? Because what is there? You say I get the letter. You say you engage me. You say before I bore you go put money for my hair. I bore you know talk the matter come. Piki waka you not talk the matter come.
Okay now.
We there you not talk the matter.
Okay now. Wait. Shebi you tell me say he not the work. Where you want get the money to put money for your head?
That is why me I know disturbance. After me, I'm not disturbed ever since then. Now today, I call me. They say no, you don't get money to put money for me. They go put money for another woman head. Woman, why never even see for? I never see. No, for I say put money for woman head.
That one are fake. Not just let that one disturb your relationship. If really that one are fake.
Woman head, because you know what you call fool. I come the hospital when I bought this coffee. Because the social come say me I no let her go put hand. Man, not let her go sign the birth certificate. The person man not let her go sign the birth certificate.
Why? Why they go tell you say may the father not sign? Why? They not get right.
I don't know. So I can't go me. I don't care what they talk. So when you come go here that they sign birth certificate, the people call me say the people call they call me for hospital. If they are aware, say they call me for hospital whether. They can sign birth certificate. He did here, now if it is, whether he go sign the birth certificate, I can say yes, he did there. He did there, that's the word that they call me. Now they read for there, they call my line. Now I can say yes, he did there. He called sign. As he called sign finish now, we can call out. The birth certificate, this is where he carry come on. He won't go do insurance. Ever since then, he not going to tell me anything. You go, you carry a brother, you go back, you go do insurance. He come anything what they want to do, you know they tell me again. He go just everything. You know they tell me anything. They go just carry the picky paper. He go you come out. He go carry a brother. They go they do what they do. You know they tell me any of that thing again. But me I no secret. Anything my family, my brother. Now there is he can go test to shout where the house where we dey say he can go he brother with his brother baby mama.
Okay now.
Go test to shout but where they put out so after me
okay now.
I want question now.
Okay now. I want to ask you one question.
I don't forget it.
Hello. I want to ask you one question.
I not talk so. Not the life of me. Hello. I'm not talk so. Not the change man for my mouth. Not the change talk for my mouth. Not the change talk for my mouth. He brother come here with a woman. He brother come here with a woman. They go meet Social. They go tell Social say me and say I want poison her. Now we quarrel that day. We quarrel, but I'm not talk something like that. We quarrel. So the social cost carry us. He come our room. Because they settle us. So the way he call the talk, now the social cost and I say, what is they talk? Your brother, your family, but all this woman, these children, family. Because me in family, me I don't know their story. I don't know as they start. I don't know any small thing go tell me say you don't know my story or my brother and my family, you don't know our story, you don't know how to say start. So you know our story. Of course I'm not of story before, sha. No vex. Any small thing, now my brother, he said his brother will come our room. The brother get the room or he get the woman for there, but you know they receive call for there. He go come here, he go sit down here, he go receive call. 12, 1. You know, go one come out. Now, yeah, they receive call. The kind of call when they receive, me, I don't like him because I get more boy for here. The boy, he go call start, he go call, they repeat waiting, they stop. And me, I don't like him because maybe people don't go stop that kind of thing for outside tomorrow. They'll call say, we are for here all this kind of thing. That is the reason why I call say, I beg you, your brother, if you want to receive all those calls, if you not receive her for your room, may 5 years they receive the call, may not come they receive the call for here. And moreover, if it comes, me I not sleep, children not sleep. 2, we go there here, they receive, they make call. 3, we go there here, if they make call, we not sleep. kind of person, if I come to now say, at least if you say he still come, 12:30, one, he go still come out. We go still feed me. I'll still teach 10 children sleep. It's still good. They not go come out though. He go just there, he go just sit down here, they make the call, he go they, you know, they say the shop, they go they shout, they go they make the call, they shout, they laugh. Me, I don't think of us and say, bro, Santa, you need to go.
Okay,
this is
now.
brother.
It's okay.
They greet him. If I'm not greet him, I know they greet me. Now, if I come greet him, I tire, now I stop, I'm not for the greet him again.
It's okay.
And me and this brother will not be made. Will not be made, then I need the greet him. I greet him. As I thought to say, any day when I not greet this bro, you know they ask me. Now, of course, as I tire for the greeting, now I can't stop. Let God make us, me, I know from the greet. Not to say we quarrel, we not quarrel. He can say, why we not the greet.
Now don't carry all my day today. You don't do. Me I said to him, yeah, you don't do. If really,
They talk for the
no.
Because now everything where they talk now lie. Now lie. They say if they bring money, where they see money they bring. When we want to do circumcision for my boy, that's our insurance not the work. Since I thought we say go, come and me then my money. Now, 350 arbitrary the one we pay for them and my money. Nobody they assist us. So, you don't get even since when I said about these born children, you don't get anything when you are caught. You not concern me because I can't say you know the work.
You don't
He got the talk this one say, now so I know the respect and so I know the respect. And which respect again? I did my own. I did here at the work. You say I know that paper better at the work. At the work. They tell me I get my account, I get my money. Government know they control my account because they know say I dey work. Yes, they know say I dey work. I get money. When I say money, you know say I get money for account. You know say I get reasonable money for account. Government not control my money one day because they know say me I dey work, I get my money. How many people keep that kind of money for account for Europe? But I keep them for account. Nobody go ask me. Nobody go control me. You tell me, say, man, I not respect you. I carry my bag, I close work. I close everything, I come meet you. When we see come back again, now you go see the mistake when I don't make, when we did that time, we don't get any problem. The problem the mistake when I miss, when we come back here, the village where brother it cost me we go that village. I can't see follow and go. Then the problem when it's not there, the problem price come. When we even come the village says, when we new come, we don't get any problem. Because it's on forward because you need to go there with your brother morning to night and no need to talk.
Okay, it's okay like this. So that call don't. Okay, now what do you want to make I do for you? Can I settle two of them?
Mama, I tell you the month that made you talk. That's why I talk the month that I don't do. The month I don't get who I wanted the month. The month I don't take one, yeah.
May I tell you one thing?
Me, they answer question, no, they answer me.
May I tell you one thing?
If I talk, you go tell me, say, I don't need problem. Because there no be problem will be saying start this relationship. Why every time you don't need problem, If I talk, you go they shout.
You don't do.
I thought say anyhow you want to make the relationship be, you go tell me. For the sake of all those children, me I did this hero. You say you don't. I said this hero, but not bought picking. You not going to say I bought picking because I don't want to make this mistake. Now that is I not bought picking ever since then. I said I need to marry before I bought picking. If you say you don't give me ring, you not promise me. I for not even pay myself. When we meet, I say you say me, I'm not going to give you honorable body. We not use honorable body to me because. I need to assure say the relationship they go somewhere.
You don't do. How many hours? No, check. 30 minutes. It's okay. It's okay like this.
Mama, no vex.
I know the verse. It's okay. If really say he go marry for Nigeria, no problem. Yeah, may not let them disturb you. Now you dey. Now Europe you dey. Forget this one. Woman where man go pay a bride price without knowing the woman. Now that woman be mumu. So if really say not true. You don't do. Not the disrespect and make try mona call your husband come. Tell her say me no vex. Everything may forget.
Mama, you don't pack his things for ground. You don't say where they wait for this day. You don't say where he pack his things for ground. As me and you they talk, so you they arrange his bag up and down.
Yeah.
You don't say when he arrange his things for ground, he arrange his bag for ground, arrange his shoe for ground. Don't pay when he arrange his things for ground. The way say the day when I go make whoever talk, he go carry his bag. You don't say when he arrange his things for ground. After they talk so no. Now his bag is the arrange. If they arrange the remaining one, he won't carry his bag go make his brother too.
Tomorrow, may you call me. Yeah? Call me tomorrow around 11. Call me around 11. No follow and talk. No make problem. Make government not collect the children. No just make problem. Just relax.
Now what did they find with that?
God no go agree. Now you go take care of your children by yourself.
Then go test to share. Even if they carry go test to share.
Eh?
If he and his brother woman, they carry go test to share. Now what did they find with that? Because woman, what you don't know, you prefer me to share carry my children so that you will suffer go meet that woman. You
God,
say my God will ever forgive
God
you.
not go agree. God not go agree. Now you go
You
take
say
care of.
God will ever forgive you because of woman what you don't know. I know, me and your brother know, you know the talk. I don't know my story. For you to satisfy your brother now for you to go do what your brother say make you do, even if they carry children, you don't care. That God there. God, they watch us though. Everything what you talk, just now, if it isn't not true, I leave everything for God. If it isn't not be true, I leave everything for God. If it isn't not bad, now I do. If it isn't not bad, now I do. I know because you don't get money. I accept you as you be. If it isn't not bad, now I do. I leave everything for God.
I don't even know what to say to her.
I don't judge you give him one day. I don't make friends. I don't make my friend. I don't make my friend. I don't do anything. If you say quiet, here I stand. If you say go here, I go. If you say now here we'll go today, I go follow you. If you say no go here, I go back to waiting you talk. Then yes, you see to say I no pop there. I did everything.
Don't you not cry. Tomorrow may you come, it's okay. My brother, where you want go this night? Where you want go? Eh?
If I go, brother side.
For what? For after 12? Where you want go? You want leave your two children come out?
Hello?
Hello, my brother. You want leave your two children come out? Where you they go? He said you want come out for house. He said you want come up for house. Say you dey arrange your things. Where you dey?
You know why I know I know if spend the night at this time.
No.
Because number one, when I this is not the first time. We never say anything, we never talk to anything matter at all. Say she will poison me. No. If it's not lie, may not protect my life.
Eh? Say go poison you.
I'm telling you, what happened that day I come out and knock. She don't go put door. She look me for outside. The next morning as I come inside, I don't talk to her. I got the bath now. You see my get up for this bed. I say get up for me. He said she go poison me. He never kill me for it. He never kill me. Me I don't go rest. If for your time for come my friend is alive. You come about my friend will not sleep. You come my friend Jeremy. You see my friend may tell me my purpose. I don't know why you poison me. But people call me say, is it that so serious? If you take my life, my family, my commoto. Yes, I said, go the children. I said, if they beg me, say, she could beg me, I beg my forgive her. So I don't think that can go from my mind. I don't call my mom from village. I don't call anybody.
We settle everything. If the money go pay, brother.
We never talk anything. I don't even know what to say. When I say they eat, you want to break my head, but you say they eat. He can't break his plate. If that's smoking the mail, which way you have to break my head, smoke let it mail. Smoking, she got my phone, she just pieces my passport guy. That point is damaged.
Okay, now you know what I see to a relationship. Number one, una not understand una self. Number two, you people have to be very, very careful.
One character, she no get.
If you can find a place to go first, go relax there. Go. In fact, go first. Mona said, go call your children tomorrow. After we don't get better mind to live together, you people get together. Like this, problem not go finish.
this woman.
May you they go, pack your thing, go there after.
Yes.
Give her a phone, may not make problem with you. Yeah, give her a
Because I'm
chance.
scared of my life.
Give her a chance, give her a chance. Because when no agent a piece till or who yeah, if I may understand it. Hello, my sister.
Hello.
Leave her may go in brother place. Leave her. If na your future husband and he go come back, leave her may go for a peace to reign. Okay? Allow him to go. Not follow and make problem. I don't want make police come this house this night. Allow him to go. Leave her. Yeah? Call me tomorrow morning.
Before you come out, I'll carry baby go hospital tomorrow.
My brother, give her the baby insurance. May you go. So happy, may una get peace. There you go. No be come dey cry. What you want cry for? You don't get 2 children. So make una take. You don't do.